YouTube and welcome to my new channel. This is my first video and today I'll show you how to make a hybrid cannon. Okay, let's get started. You need stone, glass, water, redstone and redstone repeater. And you actually also need a slab. Okay, wait a second, just options. Peaceful. Back to game. Okay, what you need to do is build with stone 10 long 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 2 out 1, 2, oh then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so it's 10 long both sides. Then you put down the slab, let the water roll, then you put glass here and stone here, then you put redstone all over here, then you put a repeater in first, click there, and then one more, then just does the same when fourth click all the way down to the stone. Okay, so now you just need a button and some sand and some TNT. Okay, then there, then you need to do it in the block number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you put the button, and I'm just first making a wall with base or water covered. Okay, I'm trying to be fast. Don't hate because of if I'm slow. Don't hate, please. Okay, so now just doing like this. Then I built just not that high, but so you can see the point of it. Oh, I'm so bad to this. Okay. So please comment if it works for you. It works, but if not, then comment it don't works for me, cause then I know what if it don't work for you, then you can maybe Skype me so I can help you build it the right way. Okay, I'm just putting some water down so it's covered by water. Okay, as you can see, it's we just say it's a faction over there, and then we will try to get into it. So what we do, we press the button, boom, this does it, and it landed perfectly. Okay, so when you see we got in to the other side, maybe there's some chest and stuff right here. So that's how it works, and I can actually maybe figure out how it works. Okay, so we got this yeah, we got this, then we just put a stone there. Let me think about how I can make it. Okay, then we put the TNT I think it's, yeah, right there. Then we put boom, just for lever. Oh, wait a sec. Stupid me. Okay, like this, and then TNT down there. Okay, I can just add a redstone touch. Then, okay, so as you can see, TNT will not explode because there's water around it. But sand is a block, and sand moves when you remove the block underneath it. So as you see, like watch this, the sand moves. So it will do the same when the TNT starts. Yep, and then it gets into the TNT. As you can see, it worked, and the reason it works is because TNT won't work if it's covered by water. But if sand is there is sand on top of the TNT, then the sand will fall down in the TNT, and the TNT is not covered by water, it's covered by sand, and that's the reason why it can explode, why there's water surrounded, because the sand makes it, yeah, so it's not like a block, it's, yeah, it is like a block, it's like there's no water, and that's the way the hybrid cannon works. So if you get this, then you're clever, and just try, it will work. So because as you can see, the TNT gets into the sand, or the sand gets into the TNT, and that's the reason why the TNT actually don't think there's a water block surrounded. That's the way it works. So you can see just it works. So if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe, like, and comment. Please, and remember to comment if you understand the video and if it helps you. But yeah, just have a nice day. Goodbye.